Good morning. Today I'm going to pretend like we're going to France. It's gonna be France and Kansas City. There is a reason we're called the Paris of the Plains. In the spring when the fountains are back on, I'll take you there and show you all the cool fountains we have. I'm not gonna hit every place in the Kansas City area that is French inspired, but there's a few of them and I wanna take you along. Come on, let's go. The French food tour of Kansas City. Here we go. Okay, so Merry Christmas. It's still unseasonably warm. Let's try this crepe I just got from Chazelle. I got the lemon curd and strawberry. Okay, here we go. Y'all, that's amazing. If you're ever in Kansas City, come to Chazelle. The best crepes, and they are gluten-free. So good. Now I'm gonna run into the Better Cheddar. You just saw me at the French bakery. Let's see what they have at the Better Cheddar. Alright, I am back from my mini vacation to France. I wanted to show you what I got at Better Cheddar and what I bought at the French market. It's such a lovely little cafe. I am totally gonna go back and take Karen and Nancy that next time. So this is what I've got. It's in here. And I got a little bag of macarons. They're little cute miniature ones. This one is peppermint. I bought the last peppermint one they had. So let's give this a taste test on camera. Don't tell Nancy and Karen I'm eating it without them. I bought a bunch, so they can have the others. I got vanilla, chocolate, peppermint, and one other. I'll have to check for you, but let's test this. Oh my goodness. That is the lightest, fluffiest. Oh my gosh. That is really good. Got it at the French market in Prairie Village. I'm just gonna have to eat this last bite. So it is Neapolitan, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Those are the three I had, plus that little cheeky peppermint one I ate. And the last thing from the French market is this. Look at this little reindeer dish. Was it a dish? Small, round reindeer dish. Put little trinkets or whatnot in that at Christmas. So cute. Maybe put soap in it in the bathroom? I don't know. I love it. It's adorable. So those are the two things from the French market. And then from Better Cheddar, I got a tiny itty bitty little block of cheese. So I'll give that a taste test on a cracker later on. Of course, on my French tour of Kansas City, I got an Italian piece of cheese and not French. It is called Italian Crevanzina. Maybe it's from the Italian Alps. See, it borders France. That's what I'm gonna say. That's where my cheese came from. Anyhow, that's all I have for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.